Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you how to draw a piece of chocolate cake. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our chocolate cake, I'm going to begin right here. So what I'm going to do is just make a little line that's going to come down at an angle. Next, I'm going to draw a little line down, and I'm just going to make some different little kind of wavy lines coming across here for some icing on our cake. Next, I'm going to take this line, and I'm just going to add kind of like a little bit of a squiggly line for some frosting. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Next, we're just going to make a little kind of wiggly, wavy line that's going to come down to here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line over to here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down a little bit. And right across here, we're going to make another kind of little wavy line to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes down. And I'll make another little wavy line that comes back. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down. Then starting down here, we're going to go down a little bit. We're going to go over and come right up to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a bumpy line to connect it. And then I'm going to make another little one down to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that comes across, and it does not have to be perfectly straight either. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little bit of like a broken line right across to show some detail. Then I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of a wavy line across here. Now, you can leave your chocolate cake just like this, or you can add some other details. I'm going to go ahead and add a little strawberry up here. So I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come up and down. Then another little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come around here. Then I'm going to make a couple little kind of pointy lines on here. Next, I'm going to add just a bunch of little tiny dots in here just for the seeds. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a little face onto my chocolate cake. So I'm going to begin here by making a circle for an eyeball. I'll leave some space, and I'll make another circle over here for another eyeball. Try to make them about the same size. Next, go ahead and put a little black dot inside each one. Right in between here, I'm going to add a little smiley face with a line that's going to go down and then up like this for the mouth. Then we'll add a little line across here for the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of a piece of chocolate cake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.